Hi everyone, welcome back on another new video. This is Praveen Kumar, Assistant Professor of Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College and Department of Computer Science and Cybersecurity. And today we are talking about the topic for the digital computers, the evaluation and architecture of modern computing. Nowadays the modern computing is input and output devices. How to learn in this topic. What is the digital computers? Digital computer is the digital system, the performance variation, combinational task. Digital means it is the information that represent the values. A digital computer has a two digits, 0 and 1. A binary digit is called is bit. Information is represented in digital computer in a group of bits. There are the input and processor and output. There are the processors to backing storage. This is the block digital computer. Powers everything from scientific research to everyday personal computing. The four core components of a digital computer: input and output, process and output storage. The input is the computer accepts input data from the user input device. Like keyboard, the input data can be characters, word, text, and sound and image, documented, and etc. The process is here, the computer process the input data. For this, it performs some actions and the data by using the instructions or program given by the user of the data. The output is result generated after the processing the data. The output may be from to text, sound, image, document, and for etc. The storage is the input data, instructions, and output are stored permanently in the secondary storage device like disk. Secondary storage, we are always know the disk, pen drive, and tape for more than SD card. There are the secondary storage. Yeah, brief history of digital computers. There are the 1980 sorry, that is the 1813's Charles Babbage, the first analytic engine and the first concept programmable computer is the writing. They always know the what computers the father for the Charles Babbage. The 1936 is Alan Turing Universal Computing Machines, and 1940s the ENIAC. There are the 5,000 additions per second in the perform, and 1947 it's the Bell Labs the tubes, and this is the computer generations. We are always know the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth and fifth. Nowadays the first microprocessor chip and revolving computers. And this topic is nothing but the components of arithmetic logic unit, the control unit, memory, and input and output devices. The more total, what is the usage of computer, and then the single memory stores both data and instructions. The basics for the most personal computer service that today we are always carrying the outside. For example, the MacBook and notebook, any one the kind of the models to easy to carry used in nowadays. The how digital computers work the processing cycle. The arithmetic logic units execute the arithmetic and logic operations, lighting the speed and the output statement for the result delayed on screens, printed or sent to other devices. Communication is the software translator human comments into machine language. The human is a readable data and converted to binary and like keyboards or scanners. The impact of the applications for everyday users use for the personal computers, smartphones, gaming consoles. There are the nowadays we are using the applications. The personal computer is using the Microsoft Word and PowerPoint more than we are the using, and the smartphones for callings, message, and the chat box more than specific, and the game consoles is used to gaming purpose. That is the future digital computing is the digital computer remain the backbone of technological invention and human process, and the journey of Babbage engage the today supercomputer shows limitless potential.